Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody's doing well. Got a 2-pack here that I just opened up. Schlage. These things are beasts. 11mm shackle, 64mm. These are brand new. Just pulled them out of the package. Thought I would do these because they're on sale on Amazon.ca. To me in Canada anyway, delivered. Both of them were 45 bucks plus tax, just under 50 bucks. 11mm shackle, molybdenum, which is the stronger of the three between boron, hardened steel, and molybdenum. Comes pinned for 6 pins already. It's got the American core in it, so I thought I'd try one right out of the box here. My hands are sore as hell today, so I'll pop it in the vise and see if I can get. They should be, I believe they're key to like. Yeah, they're key to like. But what a deal. Let's give it a shot. Start from the back. These things may have security pins in them already. There's pin 6. Start that again. Pin 2. I think this has security pins in it. Core rotation. Okay, let's go to the back again. There we go. Was able to get it. Let's see what's inside, guys. What a beast. It's an absolute beast. Let's have a look. So this is the Schlage. Comes 6 pin. Let's have a look inside. nice solid plate. Okay, so there's our core. Let's lock that up. We have the key here. I'm going to pull this, yeah, I'm going to call this the deal of the week, guys. These things are solid. I'm pretty sure I felt serrated pins on this thing. Let's get a shim in there. Hopefully it is pinned to 6. I know I felt 6 pins, but I've been wrong before. I'm pretty sure it's pinned up. Yeah, it's fully pinned to 6, guys. It's got, look at that, this thing's got drill protection in it as well. Huh, let's have a look at that. Not only that, it's got undercutting from the factory in the chamber. 6 pins, they all had to be picked. Let's see if we can get these pins out. Yeah, steel pin in chamber 1. I'm starting to like this even more, guys. Great value. So we've got drill protection plus a steel pin in chamber 1, which is going to make drilling this out really difficult. Four. Yep, serrated in 5. This is what you like to see. You like to see a lock come right from the factory, pinned to 6. We've got serrated steel in 1, serrated in 2, standard in 3, standard in 4, and that's because I'm gonna have to have a close look at that key because I didn't really look at it. Pretty sure. Oh yeah, we've definitely got undercutting in there. That's awesome. Now, where the hell is the rest of it? Alright, I almost lost sight of that. So let's see. 1, we've got a standard steel to add to that continual drill protection. Wow, spool in 2. Spool in 3. Spool in 4. Spool in 5. And another spool. All copper. Not a bad lock at all. So we've got a total of 9 security pins. Plenty of drill protection. First 2 pins are steel. There you go, guys. Schlage 11mm shackle, 64mm across. Absolute beast. And now that I'm looking at it, it's a nasty key. Take a look at that gatekeeper. Pin number 2 is an 8. That's a max cut. Patience, practice, perseverance, guys. That's what I have for you today. Oh, hopefully you're still with me. I don't know what the hell just happened. Patience, practice, perseverance. And we'll see you hit the next one. I almost broke the whole assembly here, guys. Stay well.